Hi everyone, this is Annette, Purple Paisley Planner. I'm about to do an unboxing from Boondock Enterprises. They have a farm in Minnesota and they have an Etsy shop. So everything they make is straight from their farm and their garden. If this is something you'll be interested in, then keep watching. Everyone, I had got some happy mail today from Boondock Enterprises. This is from Dawn. Her company's out of Minnesota, and I got some jelly. I happened to see this from Mindless Crafting from Tracy and Bill, and I said, oh gosh, that looks so good. So she sent me, and she packaged it really well. Let me show you. So this is her card that she sent. Isn't this cute? They sent a postcard. And I'm going to show a few of her items. And she packaged this well too. This is a garden herb blend. And I can use this for when I'm cooking. Garden herb blend. Isn't this nice? So I got that. This here, I gotta cut this open. She's really good at getting these packaged really well. Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh, strawberry pepper shrub. Strawberry pepper shrub. Isn't this nice? Good for cooking and salads and everything. Hold on, these are good seasonings. Okay, so on here she says how to use combined shrub with sparkling water or spirit, like a drink. It's refreshing. Oh, so you put this in your water and it gives it flavor. I like that. So let me put that there. Make sure I'm not missing anything else. Okay, so the next thing I'm opening is Caramelized Onion Jam. Wow, this is really nice. Could you imagine what I could use this for? Caramelized onion jam. Oh my goodness, this looks so delicious. Look at that. I don't want to open it, but look at that. That is nice. So I'm going to put that right there. And the next thing is this here. Let me move this box out the way. This is Boondock Enterprises. Flavors included strawberry, cherry, triple berry, blueberry, raspberry, apple butter, traditional jams. This is a jam sampler. Oh, I am so excited about that. So let's take a look at that. Okay, so, oh my gosh, she got this really packaged really nice. Look at this. So here's the cherry jam. Cherry jam. Here's the blueberry jam. Here's the strawberry, traditional strawberry. Apple butter. Now, who doesn't like apple? I could just imagine this on a toast. Apple butter. Triple berry. and traditional raspberry. I love how she's got this package. And I love to support our small shops. I like to support the stores. And I just love her jellies. When I saw the video of these jellies, I just had to get these jellies. Thank you, Dawn, for sending these to me from Boondock Enterprises. I mean, she has this package so well. It's just so nice. And the herbs, the seasoning, the jams, the strawberry pepper shrub, the caramelized onion. Could you just imagine what you could use this for? And all these samples of the jams. I'm just happy, excited about this. I'm trying to eat healthier and I wanted to try out new things, and this is just amazing. I like going to farmers markets and everything, and when I saw this on Etsy and I saw it from Tracy and Bill, I just had to get this. I was just so excited to get this kit, this package. Here, I just got everything. So I'm going to share her link, her shop below in the description. This here, the garden herb blend, she puts the recipe in the back right here. And it has here directions. Mix 2 tablespoons of the herb blend with 1 cup of mayonnaise and 1 cup of buttermilk. And she gives all the recipe to this so you don't mess this up. So I like this about this seasoning. You can use it for a dip or anything. This is for water. You could put it in your water. That's what I'm going to put mine in. And water, and it has the information right there. And then the caramelized onions. Oh my gosh, look at the color. It's just really nice. I just like how she's got all this blended and everything. She is really great. So I'm going to put all her information. It's an Etsy shop. She has an Etsy shop. This is where you get it. I'm going to put the description below. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you, everyone. Thank you for watching. Everyone have a super blessed day and stay positive. Bye-bye. I'm telling you, this was so yummy and delicious. Just really, really delicious.